A drone that can shoot fire. What could go wrong? It's all coming up next. Hey everybody, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. If you love drones, you've come to the right place because that is what we focus on, so make sure you hit like and subscribe. Today I have a little new invention that somebody's come up with. You know, it's just a mere drone that'll shoot fire. A company named Throwflame has come out with an attachment that can go onto drones called the TF Wasp. It even sounds dangerous. It'll sting ya. So basically the gist of this is you put a gallon of gas in, it'll shoot 25 feet away for 100 seconds. It looks extremely dangerous. They say there are some practical uses for this thing, like clearing debris from power lines, pest management and nest elimination, forest fire containment backburns, and remote agricultural burns. Now that's all interesting. And look, the Neanderthal techie in me would love to fly this thing, would love to shoot fire, but we gotta be thinking a little smarter about things. Do we really need nests destroyed by using a flame-throwing drone? I don't think we do. I think there are other ways to do that. Look, we here at Aerial Influence are the first people to look at drones in a different way. We wanna see how drones can improve businesses, how we can look at them and use them as tools to make them more efficient and to make them more money. So I'm all about that, but we have to be smarter about it. We can't be putting things out on the market like this that are gonna be potentially dangerous, even though this thing's expensive. It's gonna be $4,000 or $5,000 to fully get a drone that can carry this thing, to put this attachment on. It's gonna be expensive, but guess what? Crazy people have money too. So everybody out there, don't go buying a drone that's gonna shoot flames. I know it sounds like a lot of fun. Maybe you live in a really remote area and you can do something like that, but I think you're probably gonna kill yourself or somebody else, so stay away from it. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. Let us know what you think below. I wanna hear what your thoughts are. Are you for or against a drone that can shoot fire? I'm gonna be really interested to hear what you guys have to say. I'm gonna say it now, I'm against it. I think that it's crazy. We're not gonna be selling this attachment here at Aerial Influence. I'll be interested to hear if you guys will be buying it. Thank you guys so much for checking out the channel. We'll see you next time.